Okay, once you've created your designer screen or what you want in your app, and you'll notice that I switched over to the other app that I imported earlier. Once you have everything on here that you need, you're going to click on the blocks screen or the blocks button over here, and that'll take you to the block screen. And you notice the block screen look a lot like the lessons that you worked on in the code.org. The blocks has a column over here that has all the blocks that we need, and then the viewer column, which is most of what you see on the screen here. There's also a little bit of a little part down here for media if you load anything, any media into it. There are a number of built-in blocks categorized. We have control and logic and math. Different colors to make it easier to see what's going on in the different things. And then depending on what you have added on your screen, we have a second section here with screen 1 that'll have different items. Like if I go back to the designer screen here, you can see that I have a text box and a button in this first horizontal arrangement here. And then if I go back over here, you'll notice that in my first horizontal arrangement, I have a text box and a button. And so I can click on that and get all of the blocks that go along with that particular component or object. So in order to put code in here, we just figure out what we want to do. And if I wanted to say, I already have something for my button here, but if I wanted to, I could say when my button is clicked, I drag it out here, and then I can put it and start putting my code in there for that event here, this click event. This right now has a red X in it because I already have a button 1 clicked that was started for us. When you're doing this, it's is just a click and it just clicks right in, and if you have it in the right spot, it will kind of click in. If it's not, then these things won't touch, and you can, if you have your sound on, you can hear the click that happens as well. If you don't like something, you can just take it out. If you don't need it at all, you can throw it away, or you can also right click on it and then go down where it says delete block, and it'll get rid of it as well.